We are in Florida. I'm with my sweet Keira. And it's been a long morning already. Kind of a long flight.
I've been up for like 7.5 hours now.
Yeah, a lot of delays. And
it's only 12:30.
Yeah, we were actually we got to the airport and we waited in line for some food for like 45 minutes. And then they called and they were like, paging Keira and Steven Miller, you need to get on your dadgum flight or we're going to leave you behind. They didn't say it like that, but that's kind of how it felt. We were like, oh shoot. So we were like the next person in line to order. Like they were paying and we were going to get to order our food.
Like I had already picked it out and everything.
And she had it all and I was like, so we're starving and maybe getting a little hangry. And that doesn't help whenever you're having just delay after delay after delay, but that's travel right now, I guess. So we just got our car. We're going to go grab some lunch, check into our hotel because Keira is singing with me this weekend.
I am.
We're here to lead worship at this church that we meet at a lot, a couple times a month sometimes, 1 to 2 at least. And this is her first time leading with me, so I am super pumped about that. We've kind of been spending some time talking through songs and getting ready, and so we're probably going to go back to the hotel and just run through some songs a little bit while we're in the hotel room, just so we're ready. But first, food and coffee, because I need
everything
and all the things. Ready? Let's go in. One of the things I love about Keira is that she lets us drive with the windows down and blast the music loud and sing at the top of our lungs, which is so much fun. There we go. Yours is the kingdom. Yours is the glory. Yours is the name. Guys, Keira just went to the bathroom and I'm whispering so she can't hear me bragging on her, but holy cow, I'm so excited. I've always wanted to lead worship with my kids. Keira's voice is like an angel, man. She's like a 15-year-old Ariana Grande getting ready to lead worship with me tomorrow. So I'm really pumped. I'm really proud as a dad, but not just as a dad, but like just a human being. That like a kid who's 15 would have that kind of bravery to be able to just get up in front of a group of people and sing with all they've got, with all they have. So it's gonna be a really fun weekend, and I'm really, really excited to be able to be here with her. Keira's vlogging for her channel. If you guys haven't subscribed to her, you need to make sure you do, because she's a brilliant vlogger. Hotel hallways are always so creepy.
Yeah.
I always feel like there's gonna be like a kid like coming around that corner like in a tricycle. Please wait here. Try to
wait
here.
sorry, okay. I'm waiting right
You
here.
wait over there. Please wait over there. Facing that wall. Guys, I was reading an article this past week in Travel and Leisure magazine, and it named this place Matt's Gelato, M-A-T-T-Y-S, Gelato, as the #1, not number 2, not number 3, #1 ice cream place in Florida. Like, it's literally a mile away from our hotel, so we were like, why not give it a try?
Why not?
He's like a kid, man. Like, not a kid. I mean, he's in his 20s, and he just had a dream to start a gelateria, and so that's what he did. And so we're gonna come in here and support this guy and try what may be the greatest ice cream we've ever had. I'm not sure, but I am gonna use this as my cheat meal, and I'm okay with that. So let's go get it.
Let's go.
a leisurely ice cream stroll.
Yep.
Gelato stroll. Hi, girlie. Out of 5 stars, how many do you give it?
5.
I'm going with 5, man.
5.
That's so good. My Yelp review is gonna get 5 stars, I'll tell you that much.
Yeah.
If I had 3 thumbs to give up, I would give 3 thumbs, but I've only got 2.
I'd give 4.
So I'm gonna go with 2. That's true, I would go with 4. If I had 4 arms, this is becoming a very weird conversation.
5 stars, 5 thumbs up.
5 stars, 5 thumbs up. It's really good, guys, really good. So if you're ever in the Jupiter area, Juno Beach area,
Then get lemon sorbet.
check out Maddie's Gelato. That place is amazing. Super nice people too.
Yeah.
Man, really good.
Sexiest thing I've ever seen in my life. What do you think?
I love it. You remind me of the wolf in Shrek.
Yeah, I was just about to say that.
Grandma.
I love it.
Oh my
I
gosh.
could flip that.
Alright. Ready to go sing? Let's do this thing. Guys, this is Carl. He'll be playing violin this morning. He's a stinking stud, man. The whole rig here. Just wait till you hear the guy. My favorite story, you're like, just asking people, so what do you think I do for a living?
I've never once. It's still yet to happen. This day, nobody has ever guessed violinist.
Classical violinist.
I've gotten ex-felon for sure. I've gotten drummer.
I love
I think
it.
I've gotten bass player a few times, but not once violinist.
So
we're
funny.
taking the class out of classical music.
I love it. I love it. You feeling good? No? No, you're gonna do awesome. Is that your lightsaber? You look like you're sorting people with a lightsaber. I love it.
Worthy of every song we could ever sing, worthy of all the praise we could ever bring, worthy of every breath we could ever bring. We live for you. So I will be content in every circumstance. You are Jireh, you are enough.
Kiddo, I am so incredibly proud of you. You did so well. Guys, I'm like super proud dad right now. Just, you know, getting to do this with Keira is such a dream for me. Like, ever since she was a little girl, like I was like, man, one of these days, how cool would it be if I get to actually sing with my kids, you know? And now we're doing it, which is really cool. Like, I'm just super proud of you, kiddo. And you sounded amazing. Everybody was like, oh my gosh. After the service, they were like, dude, we didn't know your daughter could sing. I'm like, bro, you don't even know. Like, so, great work, kiddo. Let's go grab some lunch and then hit our flight back home. I'm missing the fam, missing mom, missing the kids. So it's only like we're only coming down like for a day usually. Like we come up Saturday and then leave Sunday, and but it's always like it feels like so long when I'm away from him because I'm not used to being away from him anymore. So I used to travel all the time and I'd be gone for weeks at a time, but now it's like I'm with my family all the time, so it's crazy just like all this. Llama loves Keira. Llama says Keira did a really good job today. Well, ladies and gents, that was quite a tasty meal. And we are headed to the airport. I love getting to hang out with you. I'm so glad we got to do this weekend. I'll open the door for you. There you are, madam. Let's rush to the airport. When you're trying to get to the airport as quickly as you can, and they raise the drawbridge, it's always a fun thing. I suppose if I had a yacht, I would be grateful to the governing authorities for raising the drawbridge so that I could move around in it.
Yeah, but we don't.
But we could, maybe.
We could.
Didn't you say you're going to become rich and famous?
Oh, that's true. That's true.
So just remember me whenever you win your first Academy Award and Grammy and all those things. And we're back in business. And just as we think we're going, another bridge goes up. Will we make our flight? You'll only find out if you keep watching this video until the end of the video. Everyone's just like, did they make it? Like fast forwarding to the end. You know better than we do already then, if that's the case, because we're still in it. You gonna listen to some rosé?
Yes.
Little John Mayer rosé action?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Cause you know the story that's sad and true.
We made it! Alright guys, we made it. We're getting on our flight now. We love you guys. It's been a fun trip. You had fun? Me too. Next time, we'll have to do it again soon.
Okay.
I really like singing with you.
I really like it, guys.
Can't wait to go home and see Amanda and the kiddos. And we will see you next time. Love ya. Bye.
For your name's sake, you